I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away.
Hey guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man. Just got called in about 4 o'clock. 4:41 I believe is when I arrived. So this is our circulatory pump for a hot water system, and I got called in because it's a leaker. She's a leaker. So what I gotta find out is it's just threaded copper pipe. There's an iron pipe or something of that nature. But it's leaking over here where this clamp is. So it's like a pinhole leak. But lucky for me, this is just the return. It goes into the cold water supply and then gets recirculated into the cold water to warm it up a bit. So I've already turned off this little baby. Because what I'm gonna do is bypass this and turn it off here. That's the incoming, that's the return coming back this way. And then anything that can come this way, they did me a favor and put a valve right there too. So that's pretty dang cool, thank you guys. So I just isolated this until we get a plumber's in here, because I'm probably not gonna be messing with that, because I don't have none of this kind of pipe or anything. So there you have it. Somebody took our hose out of here that was hooked to here. I don't know where that went. I think it's down there. I don't know. I'm standing on some sexy New Balance shoes there. Standing on some paint cans. So alright, so that's what I got called in to do. So that's it. Leak will now stop. Should. What I want to do is open this valve, but I don't have I need a container. Okay, good thing Ray caught this. Thank you, Mr. Ray. Wasn't too bad. I can probably just clean it up with that drop cloth and hang that out to dry. I don't know how this is going to affect the water temperature, but I can adjust this hydrostatic valve here. So I want to cut the video when I said hydrostatic valve over there, like I was showing you guys. You want to see what it looks like inside? That's what it looks like. It's like some futuristic silencer or something, but got little baffles that open and close and mix the cold water with the hot water. That's about 800 bucks right there. That's why it's well protected. Alright, back to the show. For temperatures, and it's above 120, which is not supposed to be. I bet me closing that return does that. This is a finicky little system here, guys. There's actually a name for it. I forgot what it was, but the way this piping is ran and stuff. Yeah. So I have to turn this sucker down because this thing's going above 120. And by our standards, we're not allowed to be 115 or over. And by state standards, so company policy says 115 is the max water temperature of this property, and then 120 is state for like hotels and stuff. But I need to get a wrench to unlock the locking bolt and turn this to colder just a little bit. But it shouldn't affect it too much, but I'm gonna have to test that first on the sinks first. Hopefully I can film that part, but yep, that's what I got called out for. So let's find a container I can use. Here we go. Dump this trash out of here. This trash flash out of here. I'm gonna turn this valve here, drain the pressure off of it, and see if it's working or not. Oh, this shit's already wet. All those light bulbs too. That's a whole box of light bulbs. Dang gummit. There's a whole thing of 45-minute mud that's probably gone now. That's great. Alright, yeah, there's nothing in there now. Alright, drain. Leak should stop. Unless the seats don't work in this thing, I don't know. But yeah. Alright, that's it. Bypass. I talked about this Aquatherm pipe before. We can't even really repair it anyway because it's sealed. It's hermetically sealed. You need a special tools and stuff that heat the pipe up and melts it together. Kind of like ultrasonic welding kind of thing. And this, I think I've talked to ooh, that thing's a little one. Talked about this before. This is supposed to be a water softener, but obviously it's not working with all the amount of skill on this thing. But yeah, he's right. It's been probably leaking like that for a while. And all this, there goes a whole box of filters. Ah. Well. So the elevator went down Friday at 5:30. I get off at 6, and now we have this. So return temperature is about 100, almost 110 Fahrenheit. So, alright, let's go get Mr. Ray a key. He requested a key, and I'll be going home. I mean, not that exciting. On call right there. I mean, I forgot how this was laid out, and I didn't know exactly what he was talking about, so I had to come all the way out here and just shut that valve and that valve off. But that's the life of a maintenance guy and a maintenance man or whatever. Alright guys, so I cleaned it up, mopped it up. The floor is all nice and clean. When a plumber comes here, he's got plenty of space to do his thing. Try to help the other people out, you know. So, organize the shop a little bit. Put the filters up out of there. Those light bulbs are probably screwed, but we're going to give them a shot. There's so many in there. I mean, it's a shame. I mean, some of them only have 2 prongs anyway. We can't use them, but oh well. As I say, shit happens. So, all cleaned up. Ready for the plumbers tomorrow. I'm going to have to just... These are soaked. They were bought years ago, so I'm not feeling too bad about throwing away a whole box of brand new filters. So this box, that box, that box, and some of this other crap. That microwave box is like, I think it's even empty. There's some angel wings in here. It's a magazine rack, a TV box. Like, doesn't it even have a TV in it? I think it does, maybe. No, it's just an empty TV box, so that's going to clean up all this stuff. And then when that leak is fixed, I'm going to take the cart and push it back over here. That way, if it ever does leak again, it'll leak into that cart, and somebody will spot it, hopefully. Because we really don't use that cart anyway. All right. Guys, thanks for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm Jeff the Maintenance Man. Y'all have a great day.
And I'm only one